Hey guys, Brandon with Bearded CB82, and today we're coming at you with another Tac Pack. I know, I think this will be my last one maybe, for a while anyways. It depends. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Think I should continue on with Tac Pack, or should I go with that Tool Heads Crate deal, or whatever the heck that is? Or kind of go from there. We'll see, and maybe towards the end of next month we'll see what we can do and continue on from there. But anyways, as always, so we got the card. So it says Mechanics Impact OD Green Gloves, MSRP of $35. Yes, I know I didn't cut it open. I peeked. I got this in last night. Now $35. These are the really nice Impact Genuine Mechanics gloves. I checked the pricing on Amazon, and for these guys, it was anywhere $29 to $40, depending on which color or which model of the Impacts you got. And I'd say that'd probably be pretty fair on the pricing, and that's on Amazon, and some of their deals are pretty hard to beat. Perfectly sized. When you sign up for Tac Pack, they do ask you your glove size, and yeah, oh, like the pun says, like a glove, but finger grooves on the index and thumb fingers, free ridging, no ridging as you can see on the index. Those are actually really nice. These are definitely going in my truck. So those are actually really nice gloves. So I will say that. Next thing, the Gun Tech Receiver Wedgies Pack. Two of them, Gun Tech USA. These are the Accu wedges for inside of your AR. Basically, you stick it in the back side of your AR underneath where your rear takedown pin goes for the pivot on, well, not the pivot, but the release point basically on your rear. And I bought a whole bunch a few years ago, and I might have paid $15 for 6 of them, and that's been a while. And then when I was looking again, some of the other websites, these were selling for $4 to $5 a piece. Some of the websites when I was doing my gun build, but these are good to have on hand. I have one in Liberty, my 18-inch build. Works awesome in it. Took up any extra slack because sometimes you might get a little bit of wobble. And those are a quick and easy way to fix if you do have any type of wobble or slop in those. So the extra ones of those, not going to hurt anything. But $12, I'd say 2-pack, you might be looking anywhere between $6 to $8-ish, depending on the website and the sales and all that other stuff and the manufacturer. So not too bad there. Now the Tac Fire Ambi Safety Selector. There we go. All right. What it lacks in fancy packaging, it makes up for the changing functionality of your kit. So, yeah, dead on Ambi selector. See if we can get that to focus. All aluminum construction, actually pretty heavy, probably steel. I know how we find out. Yep. Got a magnet in the box. It's steel. Comes with the tool for it and everything. So that might be going on Freedom, my pistol build, because, well, most of the accessories that I have are that I get from Tac Pack are going on to that build. Or, well, it's already complete. Just got to take it out and break it in one of these days. So that is actually pretty nice. It's not a short throw lever, just a regular 90-degree throw on it by the detents in there. That's not too bad. $20. Yep, there again, depends on where you look. $15 to $25 the websites, the manufacturers, the sales, all that stuff. And the America Grip 2-pack grip with tools. Now this is pretty interesting. And MSRP $20. Okay. So AmeriGrip, these are made in the USA in Austin, Texas, which I'm, as liberal as Austin is, you guys can figure that out. Tool grip system reduces pack weight. Real-time lifetime repairs with convenience for hunters, shooters, airsofters, vets, active duty, all on that. And basically it goes on your rail and you stick the tools inside of there and you can pop them off and use them like a kind of like a screwdriver in the field. Will add weight to your rifle. Take one of them out quick. So yep, it just it'll just pop on to your rail, and then you can go ahead and take whichever ones of these. The number, is that a number 1 Phillips, number 2 Phillips, a flathead, and a T15 Torx. Let's see here. Focus you friggin'. There we go. So you can take whichever ones of those, pop them in. Focus back. And it comes with 2, so it'll hold all 4 on your rail, however you want to get it set up in there, basically. And that is interesting. So yep, it'll just rubber works really good on that. USA made. I'd say something like this, yeah, it'd be a $20-ish dealy whopper. Yep, you kind of got like a impromptu screwdriver. Does have the longer bit, which is actually nice rather than a short shank. And that is in there. Yeah, we'll get that out later. But that's actually pretty interesting. That I might put one on my brother's AR. I'll see. It's got the quad rails up the front, so it'll have the room for it basically. The pistol, it's got the one on top. I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go. So, but there's that. And so MSRP $20, like I said, made in the USA. Even the bits are made in the USA. Oh, cool. That's sweet. You know, domestic made. Something like this, I could imagine probably $20-ish for. So overall, I'd say this is a fairly decent mod. I got some extra wedges, some new tools, gloves I'm really excited about. Overall, like I said, these things cost $50. Stop anytime and whatnot, but I think overall this is a good month. It's got stuff in here I can definitely use, stuff that I already have used in the past, and definitely stuff I can use a lot of. So now they've got some hints for May. Sights set on the May pack. Exclamation point around the sights, so who knows. Varieties of Spice of Life features 6 items total. It's supposed to be a total MSRP value next month's box of $100. Like I said, I may or may not. There's your air compressor for those guys that miss it. May or may not get that one. Anyways, but here's this month's overall. Pretty good pack, I think, for this month for sure. And other than that, remember guys, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody can die. And you guys take care and stay safe. We'll catch y'all later. Bye. Oh,